Checking out my new Cuisinart waffle maker. Now this is your classic waffle maker. Comes with some styrofoam and then a little bag over the cord. This has a 2-prong outlet. The cord isn't too long. And then we've got a piece of foam between the non-stick waffles. So this is your classic waffle pattern and your classic waffle like dimensions, I guess. So classic waffle. Now I like these for a couple of reasons. It uses the same waffle batter as like your Belgium style waffle. However, these cook much faster. And they also are a little easier if you're going to make them into ice cream sandwiches or just use them as bread on a standard sandwich. So that's why I bought one of these, and they're also a little smaller than a standard Belgium waffle maker. They're pretty simple to use. You just plug it in, it'll start going. You'll set it just like a toaster to the temperature or how dark you like your waffle. And then you'll pour in some batter. You'll kind of get used to how big a pattern to pour in there. Close it, let it do its thing, open it up, and you've got an amazing waffle from Cuisinart. I don't know if they invented the waffle maker, but I've always trusted them. Hope this helps.